Hello students. So today we are going to start with the chapter determinants. Okay. So what do you mean by a determinant? Determinant is basically a function, okay, which maps matrices to a real value, okay, real or complex value. So it is actually a function, say function from set of matrices to set of some real or complex values. Okay, then your f of a, suppose a is a matrix from set of matrices, f of a is equal to some k. Okay, that is the value. So this is your determinant. Okay, this is how it is defined. So how to find a determinant? First, determinant is denoted by, suppose A is a matrix, then determinant is denoted by this way. Okay, it's not modulus, it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, and also it is written as determinant of A. Okay, and we can find only the determinant of square matrices. Okay, it applies only for the square matrices. So if you have a matrix, say A11, A12, A21, A22, this is 2 by 2 matrix, then the determinant is given by, you have to multiply this element to this, okay, minus A12, A21. Okay, so this is your determinant. So if you have, say, when you find determinant, this you have to write like this. Okay, now if I take one example, say 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4, then 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 1. So this is your minus 8 plus 3. So the answer is minus 5. Okay, so this is the determinant. Now let's write determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so if you have a matrix 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, now its determinant is given by, okay, now you have to look for the signs. Okay, I'll write here signs. So this is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. Now you have to choose one of the row or the one of the column. Okay, so I am choosing this row. Okay, if you are choosing this row and you are taking this element, okay, so first one is plus, so A11. Now you have to strike out this row and this column. Okay, and you have to take determinant of this. So A22 minus A33, this is multiplication, minus A32 into A23. Okay, now we are moving on to next element. So next is our A12. A12 sign is minus 1, minus, so this will be minus. Okay, now you have to strike out this column and this row. Okay, now the elements you have to take like this: A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Okay, and the last one we are taking is A13. So sign is plus, so plus A13. And now you have to strike out this column, this row. So these are the elements you have to take. A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. So this is your determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, let's solve one problem. Okay, so previously I've taken this row, right? I'll take this column now. Okay, so first you should write your minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. You can start from any row or any column, okay, but you have to remember that these signs are important. Okay, if you are starting with this row, okay, then you have to start with minus plus minus. Okay, so I'll start with the first column. So 3, striking out this column, this row, okay, like this. So you have to multiply this to 0 minus 6. Then I'm choosing 2, sign is minus, striking out this row, this column. So 0 into 0, 0, minus 2, okay, plus 1, last number. So strike out this row, this column. So 0 into 3, 0, and minus into minus 1. So this becomes plus 1. Okay. So 3 into minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2, and 1. So this is minus 18 plus 4 plus 1. So minus 18 plus 5, so it is minus 30. This is the answer of the determinant. Okay, so I have taken one more problem. Okay, so determinant of this matrix. Now you have to look for the entries of the matrix. Okay, here in this row 2 terms are 0, right? So you have to go for those rows or those columns which has maximum number of zeros, so that you can calculate this determinant faster. Okay, so I am choosing now this column. Okay, so starting with 4, it has a positive sign, right? So striking out this column, this row, so you will get minus 1, minus 12. Okay, now I am moving on to next term. So this entry is 0, so the term will be 0. Next is also 0, so term is 0. So we will get only this thing. Okay, so this will be 4 into minus 13. Okay, so it is minus 52. This is the answer. So always go for those rows or columns which has maximum number of zeros for faster calculation. Okay, next is you have to find value of x. Okay, and it is given that now this is not equality of matrices. Okay, so that you can equate these elements. This is determinant. So value of this matrix, that is determinant of this matrix, is given equal to determinant of this matrix. So you find out the determinant first. So this will be 3 minus x square equal to 3 minus 8. So 3 minus x square equal to minus 5. So taking x square that side, you will get x square minus 5 minus 3 equal to 0. So x square minus 8 equal to 0. So x square is 8. So x is root of 8, which is plus or minus 2 root 2. Okay. So this way you can find value of x. There is one important property here. Okay. So if it is given that A is equal to, that is matrix A is equal to some scalar k into another matrix B, and A and B are square matrices, then determinant of A is equal to k raised to n, so power of k into determinant of B. Okay, so we can write like this, where n is the value 1, 2, 3. Okay, here the order of the matrix is n. Okay, this you keep in mind. Okay. Now there is one question given in exercise 4.1. Okay, question number 4. Here A matrix is given. And you have to show that determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into determinant of A. Okay, so this you have to show. Now we'll start from LHS. Okay, so first you have to find 3 into A, that is you have to multiply this scalar to matrix A first, and then you have to find the determinant. Remember this, that after finding out determinant, you can't multiply that 3 to that determinant, okay, because it is inside. So first you have to multiply by 3 to that matrix, and then you have to take the determinant. So 3 into A, so this 3 gets multiplied with all the entries. So 3 0 0 0 3 0 3 6 12. Now you take the determinant. Now looking at the entries, you can choose this column because here 2 zeros are there, right? So you'll get only one value, that is 3 into 3, 12 3s are minus 0. So this is 108. Okay, so this is our LHS. Now you have to solve RHS. That is, you have to take first determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A. That is a easy thing because we are choosing this column, so only one value you have to find, 1 into 4. So this is 4, determinant of A, and then you have to multiply by 27. So we are getting the same thing, LHS becomes equal to RHS. Okay.